Hello everyone, GS this side, and this is my first video, and I'm going to start a new learning journey, which is focused on the English speaking part, and we have started English learning vlog, or we can say today I started uh, English learning video blog, and on like I am hiding my face, like I put on cap and I put on mask, so there is some reason behind it, and we will uh, reveal this secret maybe after 100 or 200 videos. But this is my first video, and today I'm going to start my English speaking journey, and in future you will see more videos on the speaking part. And I'm recording this video without any uh, preparation, without any script. So this is like these videos are very prompt because I have no script for this. So you find little boring. I'm not saying boring, but you find little, uh, prompt things in these videos, and you can see like I'm not able to speak properly in front of camera. So that's why I'm starting this channel or this video. So here at least I can track my process. I can track my progress on a speaking or a communication part, and you can see like I'm I'm having breathing problem while speaking. So I think that's enough for today video, and my videos will be only 2 to 3 minutes, and I try to be upload on a daily basis. So let's see how this journey will going on. And thank you for watching. And if you want to learn English with me, so please guys like and subscribe this channel, and hope like I'm very hopeful uh, I will do or I will learn this language, which is the most important language in the world, at English. And maybe with help of you, and with help of our study and all, definitely we will. If you support me, if you like this channel, please uh, do like and subscribe my videos, and hopefully we will learn together and grow together. Bye bye.